Ciao ragazzi e ragazze, come state? Welcome to today's lesson. Have you ever wondered how to describe your house in Italian? Whether you're moving to Italy, hosting Italian friends, or just expanding your vocabulary, knowing how to talk about your home is super useful. In this video, we're taking a tour through a typical Italian house, room by room. In the picture, you're seeing different rooms. Lo studio. Then we're going to proceed with la lavanderia. Then we have the soggiorno. And finally, il bagno. Let's explore lo studio first, the study room. This is where you can work, read, or study, and it's filled with useful items. So let's go through the vocabulary together. In the study, we have several important objects. Let's start with the basics. I would say la scrivania, the desk, la sedia, the chair, la libreria, the bookshelf. Now, let's move to some useful tools, as for example, il laptop o il computer, lo scanner, la stampante, the printer. And we also have some smaller items that make the study more organized, as for example, la cartella porta documenti and la chiavetta USB. Finally, some decorative and functional elements, as for example, la bacheca, the notice board, and la mensola, the shelf. And you, what do you have in your study? Let me know in the comments below. And which word did you find most interesting today? In the laundry room, you'll find everything you need for cleaning and organizing. So let's start again with the basics. As a basic, we have la lavatrice, the washing machine, il detersivo liquido, liquid detergent, il detersivo in polvere, powder detergent, and then l'ammorbidente, the fabric softener. Now, let's look at tools for ironing and cleaning. We have il ferro da stiro, the iron, and I guanti, the gloves. For tidying up and cleaning the house, we have il mocio, la scopa, and of course la paletta. Finally, let's talk about some organizing items, as for example, la cesta della biancheria and l'aspirapolvere. Now let's continue with one of my favorite rooms in the house. Let's move to the soggiorno, the living room. This is the heart of the house, where families relax, watch TV, and spend time together. Let's discover some of the basics of this room. We have il divano, the sofa, la poltrona, il tavolino da caffè, and then to add some decorative and functional items, we have il cuscino, il tappeto, la mensola, and of course, il quadro, the picture or painting. And now, for entertainment, we have la TV, la console di gioco, or you can also call it PlayStation, for example. And then, one of my favorites, il camino, the fireplace. To finish up this part of the house, we have il bagno. And in the bathroom, we have la vasca, the bathtub, il WC or il VC, il box doccia, the shower, il lavandino con lo specchio, the bathroom sink with the mirror. Then we have the towels, gli asciugamani, the toilet paper, la carta igienica, la saponetta, the bar soap, and finally il dentifricio e lo spazzolino, toothpaste and toothbrush. Great job! I hope you enjoyed the vocabulary so far and discovered a lot of new words. This video stops here, but there's gonna be a second part which are published in the next days, and there you can discover together with me la camera da letto, la cucina e la cabina armadio. In the meantime, thanks for watching, stay tuned as I said for part 2, and as always, like and subscribe to support me. Ciao!